Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check unsent messages in WhatsApp. And here's how it is done. Deleted or unsent message scenario. When someone sends you a message and deletes it, you will see this message was deleted in the chat. However, there are ways to try and recover or check that message. Method 1. Check notifications. Turn on notifications. Ensure WhatsApp notifications are enabled by going to Settings, Notifications. Scroll to WhatsApp and turn on all relevant notification settings. Check Notification Center. If a message was deleted but you had notifications enabled, swipe down from the top of your screen to check your notification center. The deleted message may still appear in your notification log if you hadn't opened the chat yet. Method 2. Use WhatsApp backups. Enable WhatsApp backup. Go to Settings in WhatsApp. Chats, Chat Backup. Ensure your chats are backup to iCloud for iPhone or Google Drive for Android. Restore the backup. If the deleted message was sent before the last backup, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. After reinstallation, restore your chats from the backup. This may show the message that was deleted before the backup. By following these methods, you might be able to view or recover a deleted message from WhatsApp. And that is everything you need to know about how to check and send messages in WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.